Good evening, everybody. It's March the 8th, 2019. It is 12:30 in the morning. All right. A friend of mine called me from Florida. Yep, I said Florida. And he said, did you know there was a 2.6 in Century, Florida? And I said, no, I never came across, or I would have posted it. And he lives there. He's my friend for about 8 years. So he says, yeah, it was on a news article and close to where my son lives. And I said, okay. So he sent me the link, and sure enough, there it was. USGS didn't post this right away, apparently. There was a 2.7 Century, Florida. It was at 3 miles in depth. It was 4 miles southeast of Century. Okay. And I'm going, It took me a long time to find it on the USGS webpage. All right, it was buried in there pretty good. I'll check that out in a minute. There was a 2.6 Washington, 14 miles northeast of Everett, and that was at 1 mile in depth. Hang on, guys. Let's see what we got. That says 5.2. Wait, see what happens here. Let me make sure that USGS goes along with that. There was a 3.3 Alaska, Kabut at 0 miles in depth. There was a 2.4 California, 5 miles east of Lucerne Valley, and that was at 1.2. A 3.1 Descentia Island, Turkey border region at 7.4. A 2.1 California, 5 miles west of Cobb, and that was at 1 mile in depth. There was a 4.4 Russia at 66 miles in depth. A 3.4 Puerto Rico at 46.6 miles in depth. A 5.4 Taiwan at 2.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 Guatemala at 6 miles in depth. A 4.1 Northern Colombia, and that was at 101.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 the Gulf of California at 9.4 miles in depth, and that was they've got it at 45 miles east of Cobb, Mexico. There was a 3.1 Northern Alaska, and they got that at 0 miles in depth. I can't believe 0 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's what I got. I want to go check out that earthquake they've got up and running at the 5-pointer and above. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Sweet dreams. I'll be back on if that is confirmed. There was only just one earthquake center reporting it. So, God bless. Be safe. Let's see what we got now. All right. Indonesia's reporting it, and now EMSC. Guys, I'll be right back with another feed. Please be safe tonight.